In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph on Google Sheets. Whether you're handling data for work, school projects, or personal finance, getting your figures into a nice visual format can really help interpret information more clearly. Let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Sheets document. If you're starting from scratch, simply open a new spreadsheet and begin entering your data. If you're working with an existing sheet, make sure you have it open and ready. Google Sheets make it really easy to manage and present your data without needing any specialized software on your computer. Once you're all set with the document open, the next step is selecting the data you want included in your graph. Click and drag your mouse over the cells that contain the information you wish to visualize. This step is crucial because the range you select determines what your graph will display. Double check to ensure you're including all necessary columns and rows, as leaving even a single piece of data out might skew the results or omit essential insights. Now, with your data selected, turn your attention to the top menu bar. You're going to want to find and click on the Insert option. This drop-down menu offers various things you can add to your sheet, but for our purposes today, we're staying focused on chart creation. It might seem like a simple click, but this opens up a world of visual possibilities for your data. After clicking Insert, you'll see the option labeled Chart. Go ahead and click on that. This will pop a default chart into your spreadsheet, utilizing the data range you highlighted earlier. Google Sheets automatically guesses the best chart type for your data, but don't worry, this initial suggestion is entirely customizable. The chart editor will pop up on the right side of your screen, allowing you to adjust everything extensively. Transitioning from insertion to customization is where you can truly make the chart your own. To do this, click on the Customize tab in the chart editor. Don't be overwhelmed by the variety of options. Each serves to enhance your chart's readability and effectiveness. This step allows you to tweak elements like the chart title, axis labels, colors, and more. Tailoring these details makes sure your graph conveys the exact message you're looking to share. Finally, dive into the Chart Style section under the Customize tab. Here you can refine the visual style to align with your preferences, whether that means changing the background color, opting for a 3D chart, or adjusting font sizes for better legibility. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully created a clear, concise graph in Google Sheets. Not only does this visualization provide insights at a glance, but it also offers a professional touch to any data presentation. Thank you for tuning in, and now go ahead and try it out for yourself.